Hi everyone! If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jen Fretz. I'm a dog mom. I feed my dogs homemade dog food. Today, I'll be showing you how to make eggshell powder at your own convenient home. So stay tuned. Alright, to make eggshell powder at home, you will need cookie sheet, eggshells of course, coffee grinder, and some type of jar to store with. This is where I keep mine. And this empty jar here, this is where I keep my eggshells before I clean them. The way I do it, I boil the shells first, and then after that I'll show you what's the next step. All right, eggshells been boiling for about 5 minutes now. I will drain this water out and I will show you what's next step. All right guys, the eggshells is now cleaned, boiled, and drained the water out. So now the next step would be in the oven, and I will leave this in the oven for 20 minutes. And after this, I will show you the next step. All right, our eggshell is done. So we're gonna let this one dry for about, sorry for the noise, for about 5 to 10 minutes. That should cool down, okay? And then we're getting ready to put in the grinder. All right, I'll see you the next step. All right, my eggshell is already in my blender. So this is gonna be noise, but I'm gonna try to cancel them out when I'm getting ready to see. So the eggshell is ground. You're probably wondering, how much should I give to my dog? You're right, the same question I asked back then. How much should I give to my dog when I did my research? So anyway, I found Dr. Andrew Jones. He has a YouTube channel, and he said you should be giving your dog 500 milligrams equals a half a teaspoon eggshell powder per 25 body weight daily. And that's what I've been doing. And if you have a 50 pounds dog, that means you're gonna give a teaspoon per day. So I hope that you like my video today. Hopefully this is better from the last time, my first video. This is my second video. So hopefully you like it, and please give me a thumbs up, like, and don't forget to share and subscribe, because I'll be making more videos about cooking dog food and some other things, and it's just a surprise. So thank you for watching.